Now that I've given you a few of the basics about Slack and how it works, now it's time to have some fun and actually do some hands-on practice. As part of the next part of this micro lesson is we want to dive in here. You want to click on either one of these. So it depends if you have like an iPhone or an iPad, or if you have a Google Android device. Or like a Chromebook or something. Depends which one you would hit, but we'll go to Apple device since that's what I'm working on right now. And this will take you right to the website to download the app directly. You want to download the app, it is free, and install it in your phone and open it up and use your email address and your name to set it up. Once you've done that, you want to come back in here and then just look at what I've put in here. So we do have some rules. This is just a basic set of rules. We have maybe a couple more rules that we use in our real class setting, so that we can keep students under good professionalism and good curated content on our little social media platform we call Slack, because we do want them to be productive and educational, but they are human. So we want emojis, we want the occasional meme, we want funniness, we want seriousness, we want great resources, we want it all on this social media. What we don't want is divisiveness, we don't want rudeness, and we don't want discourse that's not professional. So those rules are there, not necessarily for you, but keep them in check, I would say. And then we go into what I like to call the playground. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you to an area where you will be able to join, and it's going to basically take you into what I've already shown you, which is the Slack workspace. You may not see the screen exactly. You may get like a add-on screen, but it's going to take you basically right into this platform. And the first thing you should do is come right into hello. Now, when you come in, you may see a greet bot message that says, hi, welcome, do X, Y, and Z. And one of the X, Y, and Z's will be this. That you join, and we require you to introduce yourself in one post only. And that's a little bit of a fun activity so that we can get to know everybody. And we do this for students, especially when they first join Slack and they're matriculated into the program. That's the end of this micro lesson. So I hope to see you in my playground here, and we can discover Slack together, and I can answer as many questions as you have. And we can try things back and forth and see what works and see what doesn't. It's kind of a good way to communicate moving forward into the future. See you later. Thanks a lot.